Good morning, students. In this class, we are going to discussing about the first video of genetics. In this concept, first of all, we are going to discussing about the introduction part of genetics. You know that genetics, the study of genes is called genetics. Study of genes is called genetics. The term genetic was first coined by the term genetics. The term genetic was first coined by Batson. Father of genetics. Father of genetics or classical genetics. Mendel. Gregor John Mendel. Next one. Father of modern genetics. Father of modern genetics or animal genetics. Batson. The term genetic was first coined by Batson. Father of modern genetics or father of animal genetics, Batson. Father of experimental genetics or Drosophila genetics, Morgan. Next one, father of human genetics. Father of human genetics or father of biochemical genetics. Or father of physiological, that is also as a father of physiological genetics. Garrod. Father of genetics, Mendel. Father of modern genetics, Waller. Father of animal genetics, Batson. Father of experimental genetics, Waller. Father of Drosophila genetics, Morgan. Father of human genetics, Waller. Biochemical genetics, Waller. Physiological genetics, Garrod. Next one. Here Mendel conducted the experiments on garden pea plant. Mendel conducted experiments on garden pea plant. The scientific name of the garden pea plant, Physarum sativum. Physarum sativum belonging to Fabaceae group of the family. Here, Mendel conducted experiments on garden pea plant. The scientific name of the garden pea plant is called Physarum sativum, belonging to Fabaceae group of the family. Here, around 1850, around 1850, Mendel began to research the transmissions of hereditary traits in plant hybrids. Okay, here around 1850, Mendel began to research the transmissions of hereditary traits in plant hybrids. Here he published a book called Experiments on Plant Hybrids. Experiments on Plant Hybrids. This is one more point regarding to Mendel. Next point. Have you ever wondered why an elephant always give birth to young elephant but not produces to another animal? Why mango seeds always produces the mango plant but not to another type of the plant? These type of several questions are dealt with scientifically in branch of biology that is called genetics. Here, during the studying of these type of the aspects, different varieties of the questions are immediately created in our mind, that all type of the questions are easily solved by, that all type of the questions are scientifically solved by the branch of biology. That branch of biology is also known as genetics. What is meant by genetics? Actually, genetics means study of heredity and variations. Genetics means study of heredity and variations. First of all, what about the heredity? Here, it is a branch of biology. That deals with it is a branch of biology that deals with transfer of characters from parental generation to offsprings. During sexual reproduction by gametes is called heredity. Very simple point. The transfer of parental characters from offsprings during sexual reproduction by gametes is called Here that is called heredity. One more simple definition. Process by which transfer of character from parents to offspring. Offsprings, progeny, daughter ones, all are also same. Process by which transfer of characters from parents to offspring, that is also known as heredity. But what is meant by variations? Differences among the individuals of offsprings. What is meant by variation? Differences among the individuals of offsprings. For example, in our family, 3 or 4 members is there. 2 brothers, 2 sisters. Compulsory among them 4 children. Differences characters are present. The differences characters are not identified in twins. The remaining maximum almost all type of the brothers and sisters, definitely we will identify the differences among the individuals of offsprings. That is called variations. One more point. One more definitions of variations. Here variations refers to the degree by which offsprings differ from the respective parents. Here variations refers to the degree by which offsprings differ from their respective parents, or how to these variations are found. Variations are maybe morphological, due to genetical, maybe minor or major. Variations are not only formed by the morphological aspect but also formed by the genetically. The variations may be minor or major. Variations are noticed as back as 8000 to 1000 BC by early women. That's why variations are noticed as back as before Christ, in between 18,000 to 1000 BC by early humans. Variations are a product of sexual reproduction. Variations are a product of sexual reproduction. You know that 3 different types of reproductions are mostly present: vegetative reproduction, asexual reproduction, and sexual reproduction. In both vested reproduction and asexual reproduction, there is no formations of variation characters because of the same parent is involved in reproduction. That's why there is no formations of new evolutionary characters, but variations are only possible through the sexual reproduction. Next one, they started exploiting beneficial variations and are started domestications of wild species and animals. What is meant by domestication? What is meant by domestication? Here, one of the point is that is also known as domestication. 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 Domestication means bringing the wild species, bringing the wild species under human management, human management. You know that the wild species, generally nowadays maximum the farmers are used to hybrid varieties of the plants. The farmers are cultivated the hybrid varieties of the plants. Or how to that hybrid varieties of the plants are also came? That all type of the hybrid varieties of the plants are also came from wild varieties of the plants. That's why bringing the wild species under human management, that is called domestication. Domestication, the present day, that is also known as here the present day crop plants and animals. Crop plants and animals, human care for use, result of human domestication. Present day, crop plants and animals, human care for use for or result of human domestication. Domestication, that is called artificial selection. Artificial selection. What is meant by domestication? Domestication means artificial selections of the plants. Domestication means artificial selections of plants. Artificial selections of plants useful to human care, useful to human race. Actually, here nowadays one of the famous cow and one of the famous bull, that is also known as the domestications of animals. That famous cow name is Sahiwal. Sahiwal cow in Punjab. Sahiwal cow in Punjab. Next one is called bull. Ongole bull in Andhra Pradesh. These are a famous domesticated cow and domesticated bull. This is also known as domestication. Domestication means bringing the wild species under human management. Next point. Next one, Mendel experiments. Mendel conducted experiments in mid-19th century, around 1850. Mendel conducted experiments in mid-19th century, around 1850. Mendel conducted artificial hybridization. Artificial hybridization. What is meant by hybridization? What is meant by hybridization? Hybridization. Hybridization means artificial selections of plants. Artificial selections of parents. Artificial selections of parents. Parents. Mendel conducted hybridization experiments. Mendel conducted hybridization experiments on garden pea plant for 7 years. For 7 years. 1856 to 1863. Okay, total how many years Mendel conducted the experiment on garden pea plant? Total is 7 years. In between 1856 to 1863, he proposed law of inheritance in living organism. He proposed law of inheritance in living organism. In living organisms. Actually, he published book is called Experiments on Plant Hybrid. He proposed laws are also known as the law of inheritance in living organism. Next one, he applied statistical analysis and mathematical logics were applied in the problems of biology for the first time. Actually, here Mendel he applied statistical analysis and mathematical logics were applied in the problems of biology for the first time to analyze the data obtained by his experiments. Before Mendel, no one is not used the mathematics in biology. Especially why Mendel used the mathematics in biology? For that phenotypic ratio and genotypic ratio purpose. You know that Mendel monohybrid phenotypic ratio is 3:1. Mendel monohybrid genotypic ratio is 1:2:1. First time Mendel used the statistical analysis and mathematical logics in the problems of biology to analyze the data obtained by his experiment to interrupt. Next one, Mendel experiment had a large sampling size which gave greater credibility to the data. Actually, Mendel experiment had a large sampling size which gave greater credibility to the data. Next one, confirmations of information through experiment on many generation. Confirmations of information. How to Mendel confirm the information? Only through the experiment. That's why confirmations of information through experiment on many generation. Mendel not only crossed the one time, Mendel not only identified the information based on the one cross, Mendel conducted the experiments on many times. That's why finally he confirmed the information. That's why confirmations of information through the experiments on many generation were not unsubstantiated. In our NCERT textbook given to this point, unsubstantiated means unsupported. Actually, during that Mendel time, including with Mendel, other biologists are also not accepted this type of the information. Next one, Mendel experiments, Mendel investigation characters on garden pea plant. Mendel investigation characters on garden pea plant, and exhibited two opposite characters. Here Mendel investigation character. investigation character. Mendel investigation characters on garden pea plant, and exhibited two opposite characters. What are the two opposite characters? That is also known as here tall plant, tall dwarf plant. Otherwise, yellow water green seeds. Yellow water green seeds. Yellow water green seeds. This is also known as two opposite characters. One character is nothing but tall, one character is nothing but dark. Here next one, that is also known as Mendel conducted such artificial pollination or cross pollination by using several true breeding plants. Actually, what is meant by true breeding? True breeding plants? Here Mendel conducted such artificial pollination or cross pollination. He used only true breeding pea plants. True breeding pea plants. What is meant by true breeding? True breeding means capital T, true breeding. Small t is nothing but true breeding. Genetically, what is meant by true breeding? True breeding means genetically pure for a given trait. This is genetically pure for a given trait. This is genetically pure for a given trait. This is not pure plant. This is nothing but impure plant. This is nothing but hybrid plant. This is not true breeding plant. That's why true breeding means genetically pure for given trait. Next, one more point that is also known as a true breeding line. A true breeding line is one that having undergone. For example, this is a true breeding. A true breeding line is one that having undergoes continuous self-pollination, several generation, shows a stable inheritance characters are expressed several generations. For example, here this true breeding plant is undergoes continuous self-pollination several generation. Shows a stable inheritance of characters are expressed several generations. For example, this true breeding is continuously going to self-pollination several generations. The same type of the characters are also maintained several generations. Next one, Mendel used always two parental plants. He used always two parental plants which are true breeding to make a cross in between male and female. Mendel always used two parental plants. The two parental plants are always true breeding to make a cross in between male and female. Next, one more point. Mendel selected 14 true breeding pea plant varieties. Mendel selected 14 true breeding pea plant varieties as a pairs which were similar except for one character with contrasting traits. Here actually Mendel selected 14 true breeding pea plant varieties as a pairs This is actually one pair. This is actually one pair as a pair which were similar except for one character with the contrasting traits. Next one. Later, the next video we will going to see the remaining concept of genetics. Thank you all of you.